Hi, I'm William Myers from Austin Subaru for Expert Village. Okay, why should you know anything about your alternator and AC belt? All right, let's say you turn your AC on and it makes this loud, horrendous squeaking sound. It'll sound like someone stepping on a cat. It'll be horrible. It'll make this loud sound. If you turn the AC off, noise goes away. The belt may be too loose. Okay, there may be other problems, but it could be just a belt issue. Like a lot of the complaints are, I'm going down the highway and all of a sudden I hear this loud screech and then it goes away. Well, if the alternator or the AC belt gets loose, the compressor cycles on and off as part of its job, and if the belt was loose, when it compressor locks up to re-engage that compressor and the belt's a little loose, that belt's going to slip on the pulley and it's going to make a loud noise. Like on your alternator and power steering belt, if you were turning the steering wheel and you heard a loud screeching noise and it went away as soon as you stopped turning the steering wheel, the odds are your alternator power steering belt's loose. That's the reason you kind of want to know this stuff. Plus, if you were going on a trip, you'd want to look at them, notice if there were any cracks in them. If there were any cracks, then you probably want to take it to a repair facility and have somebody else, I think I need my alternator belt replaced. There's a lot of things that, for knowing just little things that can help you in the long run. So when somebody comes to you and goes, well, you need an alternator belt replaced, well, why? It's not squealing, it's not screeching. Can you show me? Well, they say, well, they run their hand on it and they pull off all this black stuff. That doesn't necessarily mean the belt's bad. Usually a belt's bad when you see lots of cracks in it. All right, this is what a drive belt looks like off the car. And as you can see, if you flip it inside out, you have these channels right here. And this is where the cracks will form when a drive belt starts to go bad. You'll have lots of little hairline cracks on all these ridges. And when you see those cracks, that's when you know it's time to replace a drive belt. This drive belt happens to be in good shape. That's a drive belt.